With the new Ohana DIY kits, you can personalize your ukulele in any number of ways. The CK kit comes with an unfinished concert ukulele that is partially assembled, providing you with the perfect bass to create a model that matches your personality. Push the boundaries of creativity and personal expression without sacrificing a great sound. Your kit includes 4 tuners, 1 bridge, 4 strings, 1 saddle, 1 nut, a bridge decoration, 4 bushings, and assembly screws. Putting your uke together is easy. Follow the instructions, and next thing you know, you'll be playing your favorite song. To make sure the tuners are properly aligned, you may want to make starter holes for the screws. Tying a good string knot is important for your sound. Be sure to follow steps 6 and 7 of the instructions carefully. Now your ukulele is complete. Simply tune it and you're ready to play. I always wanna play the drums, but I broke my hand. So the teacher gave me a flute I could toot instead. I said, I'm sorry, no sir, I can't. Little things make me feel like less of a man. Now what's ironic, so the story goes, got all the right words, ain't got no notes. I was just a boy, how was I to know that the pebble that the builder threw away would be the cornerstone? If I had a band, if I had a band, I'd be jamming all night till 3 a.m. If I had a band, if I had a band, write songs that all my friends could sing. If I had a band, if I had a band, I'd be jamming all night till 3 a.m. To find out more, head to ohanamusic.com.